Welcome back to the show. డాబర్ గులాబరీ సంస్థ మిస్ ఫ్రెష్ ఫేస్ 2011 టాలెంట్ హంట్ ని టాలీవుడ్ నటి తషు కౌశిక్ లాంచ్ చేసింది. ఈ టాలెంట్ హంట్ లో టాప్ 3 కి చేరుకున్న వారు ఫెమినా మిస్ ఇండియా 2012 కాంటెస్ట్ లో వైల్డ్ కార్డ్ ఎంట్రీ ద్వారా పాల్గొనే అవకాశం కల్పిస్తున్నారు. ఈ టాలెంట్ హంట్ పై ఓ లుక్.
Hi, this is Imani and I'm participating in the contest Dabur Gulabri Fresh Face 2011, and the only reason for me participating in this contest is that it is one of the most prestigious contests happening around in Hyderabad, and yeah, it is one of the most happening as well. You'll get all the beauty, of course, with the brain over here. So I wish all the contestants a very good luck, and I believe that more and more girls should participate in this because it will really give a big boost to their profession in future, if that is modeling, of course. And no issues, even the girls who are not into modeling can of course participate in this. They'll actually get to know what it is like, glamour and everything. It's a lot of things, lots of things which you'll get to know, and of course the grooming and everything, it's really at a very high end. So I just request more and more girls to participate in this. That's all I can say. So see you on the finale. Thank you.
First of all, my congratulations to Dabur for coming up with such a brilliant concept, and I think it's amazing. And earlier they came up with this concept of giving opportunity to girls like a fresh face from Hyderabad and the zones in South. But this time they have increased their zones, so this time they're coming up with this concept and they are selecting girls in 4 different zones. It's a brilliant thing because young girls, beautiful girls, talented girls who want to participate in such contests and they do not know how to enter. So I think this is the right place for them to be here and like give their best, look their best and win this title, because the winner of this contest directly gets an entry in Pantaloons Miss India, which will happen next year in the beginning, and they directly get an entry in top 20. I think that's a very, very good thing, because people they get very conscious, they don't know what are the ways. So I think Dabur has come up with a very, very good thing, and we are promoting it so well so that every girl who wants to know the ways to enter such a competition should know. And today is the call sheet, the beginning of this contest. It ends on 4th of October, so I think all the beautiful girls who want to come and make India proud by winning Miss India title and representing India internationally, I think you should not sit back at home, like just go apply for it, give your best, and I wish all the luck to all the contestants, and may the best and the prettiest girl win. It's very, very obvious if you're there in the fashion field. Very important is the workout. Like, you have to make sure that you work out regularly, you eat healthy, because it's all about how you look, how you carry yourself. Your skin should be flawless, your body should be well maintained, and at the very, very important thing that you have to be very disciplined about your eating habits, about your sleeping habits, about what you're doing, where are you seen, with whom are you seen. There are a lot of things, so you have to be focused enough, and a person who maintains everything in one row, balancing everything together, I think those people automatically become big. And already, like, India is privileged by having beautiful, internationally successful models who have represented India many times. One of the very known model, the oldest and the first one, was Vipasha Basu. She has already made India proud. She's like known all over the world. So I think this is high time. We have not won Miss Universe title. You girls, one of the pretty looking girls who's watching this right now, I think you should give your best and make India feel proud once again.
ఇది ఇవాల్టి ది షో. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ తో నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. టిల్ దెన్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ TV1. దిస్ ఇస్ Varna signing off.
Love ante caring, friend ante sharing, etunde pilla bolu na framing. Entro ni feeling, chupewe darling, etuante adu tiputale na steering. La patta dangale, secret ka kalavale, friend ante torala meet aye chance le. Lavender red rose, mabanga guntade, friendship white rose.